In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently remove the background from an image using Photopea, an impressive online tool that's completely free to use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, Photopea offers powerful features that make it a great alternative to more complex software. Let's dive into this simple process and transform your images with ease. To begin, open up your web browser and head over to Photopea's website. Simply type in Photopea on your search engine and click on the official link when it appears. Photopea is a web-based image editor that mimics much of the functionality of Adobe Photoshop, but without the hefty price tag. It's compatible with a wide variety of file types, making it incredibly versatile for different projects. Once you're on the Photopea homepage, you'll want to locate and click the File button in the upper menu to open your image. Choose Open and select the photo from which you'd like to remove the background. Now that your image is open, we're ready to begin the background removal process. Look towards the top menu and locate the Select option. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, click on Remove BG. This is the key feature that will help us remove the background from the image effortlessly. When you select this option, Photopea automates the task, scanning your image to identify and isolate the main subject from the background. Once the background is removed, you might want to fill the now transparent space with a solid color. To do this again, head over to the top menu and this time click on Layer. From there, select New Adjustment Layer and choose Color Fill. A color palette will appear, allowing you to pick the exact shade you'd like to fill your background with. You can opt for something bold and bright to make your subject pop, or perhaps a more subdued tone that complements the main image. Either way, once you make your selection, the color will be filled instantly, giving your image a fresh new look. And just like that, you're done. It's that simple. You've successfully removed a background and added a new one using just a few steps. This method is not only quick, but also incredibly effective for spicing up your personal photographs or enhancing professional projects. With Photopea, the power to edit and transform your images is right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel empowered to explore more features Photopea has to offer. Now go ahead and have fun experimenting with different images and backgrounds. Until next time, happy editing.